For most people, losing a few extra pounds isn't easy. It requires dedication, discipline, and a strong mind. In order to lose some weight, you must reduce your calorie intake and increase the amount you exercise. But did you know that there are some foods that can also help you meet your goals? Cumin, for example, has been used by many and has aided in their weight loss journey. A study performed in Iran for 3 months divided all participants into 2 groups, where each group consumed the same amount of calories a day from the same foods. The only difference between each group is that one of the groups had a spoonful of cumin tea mixed into their yogurt, while the other one had plain yogurt. After the 3 months were up, the people in the group with the cumin yogurt lost 3 extra pounds and reduced their fat percentage by 3 times more than the other group. However, those weren't the only benefits. The triglyceride levels in their blood and their cholesterol were also greatly reduced. If you want to kick your diet up a notch in order to lose more weight, you should try cumin water. It's very easy to make and only calls for 2 ingredients. Here's what you do. Ingredients: 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds, 1 cup of water. Instructions: boil the water. Turn off the stove and put the cumin seeds in the water. Let the mixture sit for 10 minutes in order to allow the water to absorb the cumin's properties. It's recommended that you drink this water every night before going to bed. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.